Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day. So this is what I got, and I've had it for a while, and we are going to look at this today and do swatches. Too Faced Yummy Gummy Limited Edition Makeup Collection. Alright. Alright. And I have had it for a while. Not a super long time, and this comes with the lip injection. Alright. So, we are going to look at this palette, and it also comes with the blush, which is why I bought this to begin with. I thought the blush was unique. Alright, it says, satisfy your candy cravings with a makeup collection so sweet you'll be saying gummy more. This limited edition palette features 8 multi-finish eyeshadows plus the yummiest blush and lip balm to complete the look. So, here we go, everyone. We are going to do swatches. All right. So there is tape at the top of this, so be aware. All right. This is the inside. Okay. Whoops. Look at that. Look at that cute little. I like that so much. It says on there, Too Faced. All right. So I'm unpackaging the package. And under the pink packaging, okay, this is what's in there. This I Want Candy, all right, and it's a makeup bag, all right, and the gummy bears are really, really cute. All right, so opening that is a lip injection, all right, and this is Yummy Bear. All right, and we're going to look at that here in just a moment. This is what that looks like. Then, this is Yummy Gummy, okay? All right, so I'm going to put the makeup bag, I really like it, that, there, and we're going to take a look. Okay, this has a mirror. There you go. All right, now we're going to look at, there we go. There's a plastic on top of that. All right, here we go. All right. All right. I'm going to do the mattes first. The first is top. There's one matte on top, and it's Sweet Spot. And then there are 2 on the bottom. I Choose You and Candy Crushing. So there is Sweet Spot right there. Sweet Spot. I Choose You. All right. And then Candy Crushing. Okay. So here we go. Sweet Spot. I Choose You. And Candy Crushing. So Sweet Spot. Okay. I Choose You. Okay. And Candy Crushing. I think that Candy Crushing is pretty. Look at that. All right. Now we are going to do, okay, so, I don't know if it really smells like gummy bears. It does have like a sweet scent, but gummy bears are really, I don't know. It's okay. It's okay. Just a minute. You know what I need to do? I've got this, workstation here. Boy, do I need to clean it up. All right, so let me clean my fingers off, and then we will take a look at the shimmers. All right, and then we'll take a look at the blush. And we're also going to look at the lip. Okay, next, the shimmers. Okay, Sweet Tooth, Sugar Bowl, and Bear Hug. Sweet Tooth, Sugar Bowl, and Bear Hug. Okay. Oh, so pretty. All right, Sweet Tooth, Sugar Bowl, Bear Hug, Sweet Tooth, Sugar Bowl. Look at the shimmer. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Bear Hug. Ah, just like that so much. Okay, I'm going to wipe this off and go on the lower level there. And then we'll head to the blush. So yeah, that's one of the biggest reasons I bought this palette is they don't usually come with a blush. So I really wanted to try that because how fun that is. You know, you don't have to search for a blush after you do your eyes. And you know what? I'll tell you what. One of the biggest things I like about Too Faced is this. Do you see that? Look how much my fingers sparkle. They just leave so much sparkle after that. I just like it so much. I love the colors. I like the colors very much, but the sparkle is just so pretty. Ah, just like it. Okay. All right, so I just got doing, I did what, 3? Sweet Tooth, sugarcoat this, and Sugar Bowl. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and do um, Bear Hug now and Sticky Fingers. Okay, Bear Hug and Sticky Fingers. That pink, look at that, just awesome. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and do the blush. Okay, so the blush is a matte. All right, so really be aware of that. Now, since it's orangey, I'm gonna have to put a lot of pink in it. But look at that. Okay. Now I'm going to wipe my fingers off with a new wipe, and we are going to look at this lip. So, just a minute, and let me get a new wipe. All right, and we'll look at the lip. All right, so this is what's going on. I found a bunch more lippies, brand new. We haven't used nothing, so we're going to do that. Not right now. I'm going to show you this. All right, it's Lip Injection Lip Balm. Okay, and this is Yummy Bear. Okay, I'm going to open it and show you what it looks like. Maybe do a swatch. But we're going to do a lip video of all the lips that I have. All right, I just bought them all, and we're going to do that like a lip try on. This is what it looks like. Okay. And I'll tell you all about them in that video. All right. But this is what you get with that. This is what that looks like. Oh, excuse me, please. Oh, I apologize. All right. That's what that looks like. All right. And okay. And again, once again, the applicator. Okay. So, we are going to do that. Not right now. I'm going to have a lip video and we'll do that. Okay. So, but I wanted you now that I'm going to put this back in here. All right. Okay, so the lip is back in there. And then I'm putting, since we've looked at all this back in the packaging. This is just really awesome. All right. All right, so this is back in the packaging. Now I just have to get it back in the box because I want it to stay lovely. You know, I don't know. I didn't smell gummies. I mean, I've had gummies before. There's two different types of gummies I bought. One is already in the bag, and those are from Germany. And then we used to get a great big bag of gummies from Germany. We went to a nut house, and the nut house had all different types of nuts that you could purchase, and other things. Well, a great big barrel of the person that had the nuts had to scoop out the gummies and put them in a bag, and we'd get a great big bag of gummies. So those were from Germany, and they were fresh. They were really, really good gummies, and I mean really good gummies. Now you can still get them prepackaged though. So, and they're really, I mean, you can really smell them when you getting them fresh. You could smell them, really a lot. They smelled really, I mean, the fragrance was just really, it was really great fragrance. And you can smell them prepackaged. To me, I wasn't really looking for gummy bear smell. It was more like, the palette, itself. But when we do our lip, I will see if the lip in this smells like gummy bears. I'll see. But when I did sniff the blush and the shadows, it didn't really smell gummy bear. Not heavy. It did have a fragrance to it, but I wouldn't say super gummy bear. So I don't know. I'll do it again though. I wasn't really thinking about it. I was thinking about swatches and showing you the lip and that. So we are going to do our gummy bear lip in a lip video with all the other lips, and you'll see those when we do that. So everyone, but I wanted to get the swatches out for that palette, and we're going to do that. We're going to do our makeup, our eye color pretty soon. So that's it for this video, but I've got a whole bunch more stuff. I'm looking at more stuff that you don't even see, and you'll find out. So everyone, I love you all. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. And I hope you enjoyed the swatches. We're going to have to take a lot more. We're going to look again at that palette here coming up, and we got our lip swatches, our lippies to do. So, all right, everyone, I love you all. Have a great day, and I will see you all in my next video.